Every time you leave your house, something happens. Wallah. But most people walk out without even saying the simple dua. And because of that, they live without protection, without guidance. Hmm. The Prophet ﷺ taught us, when you say this dua, you are guided, you are protected and sufficed. You receive the ultimate protection from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And what's this askar? Bismillahi tawakkaltu Allahi wa la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Bismillahi tawakkaltu Allahi wa la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Simple. The angel says you are guided, you are protected. Allah will take care of you. Wallahi summa billah. But without it, you walk alone, without realizing what you missed. God forbid bad thing. You are simply walking without the guidance of Allah. What do you expect? Moving around without the guidance of the Almighty. This simple dua that takes seconds protects your entire journey. Protects you from the evil of Shaytan, from the Shayatin, from Sihir, from the evil of accidents on the way, from the evil of bad luck. Start saying it today, my brothers and sisters in Islam, and never leave your home without saying it. May Allah protect us, may Allah guide us, may Allah make it easy and possible for us to remember this afkar whenever we are living. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.